healthy at all.
Not at all.
Benny, Nikki, and Greg are setting the love trap on 99.7 now.
Shada is dating Scott. Shada says that things have been great up until recently because she started to think that he's talking to his baby mama again.
Yeah. No, things are like, things are going really, really well. And I really dig this guy. And it's a really good relationship. And I give him credit, because I know that he's got a kid with Anna and he hasn't, he's straight up about that. And I don't mind the fact, like, he's over there and he helps out with his kid. And I think that says a lot about him as a man,
Sure.
He was a high school sweetheart, they had a kid. He's being there, he's being a man. So I give him credit for that. So I don't have a problem with him going over there and spending time together with their son. And, so, like, I'm not a jealous woman. I know some of my friends are like, how can you let that happen? I'm like, he's being a good man. He's standing up.
Yeah.
But there must be something going on that you don't like.
Yeah, my spidey senses are tingling because, so he recently told me that Anna is pregnant again.
Okay, with...
And,
Well, I know
we hope.
Pregnant with emotions.
This isn't Stranger Things. It's not a monster.
Goodness. So when I ask him questions, I'm not just, asking him about, well, who's the daddy, or, how long she's pregnant, just some dude, or just some guy, it's like a one-night thing or whatever, he's not, or else he changes the subject, so there's never any answers.
So he doesn't want to talk about it.
No.
I mean, but he did let you know that she was pregnant and is now just avoiding the conversation?
Yes. However,
something happened, now the guy is out of her life, and he would express to you, like, I just care about her because that's the mother of my son and I want to make sure she's okay because that's my son's sibling. But to not have any reasoning behind it is really strange to me.
well, yeah, no, and the fact that, that he's over there a lot now, and like he said, he tells me that, well, this is my son's home, but I don't know, like I said, my spidey senses are tingling, and I think
You think it's his kid?
I do.
Damn, this is complicated, girl.
I mean, I can see why you think that. He didn't have a reason.
Yeah, right?
He could have just explained it if that wasn't the case.
Exactly. Mm-hmm.
The definition of baby mama drama.
Yes.
Do you have a relationship with Anna, the baby mama, or not really?
Yes, I try to be cordial. I don't go out of my way to see her, wait in the car sometimes if he has to drop something off.
And I'm going to ask you this before we make the call. You are 100% sure you want to do this?
I need to know before. If I can't invest any more into this relationship if he's behind me.
This is going to be a crazy one. Let's play a song. It's over. Call your boyfriend. Send the love trap. No matter what, he'll ask me some questions, all right?
Okay.
It's 10 o'clock, yeah, it's big. I've been through a lot, I'm still free. Everybody back up in the building. It's been a minute, tell me how you're feeling. Cause I'm about to get into my feelings. How you feel right now? I've been so down and under. I'm way too fine to be distressed, yeah. Pump me up, feeling fussy, walking in my Balenciagas, trying to bring out the fat bitch. Give a pump, wait so much, I'ma need like 2 shots in my cup, when I get up, that's how I feel right now. I've been so down and under pressure, I'm way too fine to be distressed, yeah. I'm not the girl I was or used to be. Turn
morning's home of the love trap. So Shada's boyfriend's baby mama is pregnant again. And anytime Shada asks questions about the new baby, he gets super weird and super secretive, which has now made Shada wonder, is he about to be a daddy again? She can't get it out of her mind, so we're here to help her get the truth. We're setting her boyfriend up in the love trap right now.
Hello.
Hey, good morning. May I please speak with Scott?
Yeah, Scott.
Hey, Scott. My name is Chad, and I'm calling from Knockin' the Roots, and we are a brand new flower and plant shop in San Jose. How you doing this morning, Scott?
I'm doing pretty good, man. I'm doing all right. How you doing?
Good to hear. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. You on a weekday morning, but the reason for the phone call is, as a new shop, what we're doing right now is we're running away a free bouquet of flowers each day to a local resident, and your name popped up on my computer this morning as our winner. So, congratulations, free flowers are yours.
Okay. Are you serious?
I'm 100% serious, man. Not only free flowers, but free same-day delivery for you, sir.
Okay.
And there is one more part to this. We couldn't send the flowers to you, to someone else on your behalf.
Yeah, man, I don't need the flowers for me, but, I probably can send them to someone, though.
Definitely.
I get to pick whoever I want to send them to?
Yeah, as long as they live within the Bay Area, you are good to go. I'll get the address here in a moment. Why don't we start with a name?
Yeah, I'm going to send them to Anna.
Got it. And I will have a card with the flowers, so Anna knows they're coming from you. There is room for you to personally,
Oh, okay, like a message.
if you wanted to. Otherwise, it'll just say to Anna from Scott.
I'll put a message on there. Let me see. How about this? But I'm excited for our new little addition.
Scott, my name is not Chad, my name is Benny, and I'm not calling from a flower shop, I'm calling from a radio station, 99.7 now. You are on the air in what is called the Love Trap.
What?
We catch Bay Area cheaters. On the phone with us this morning is Shada.
Well, hold on, man. Hold on a second. What are you talking about? Trap? Look, is that even really you? Shit, I don't even know who I'm talking to right now.
Scott, come on.
Hey, look, Shada, I told you she was pregnant. I told you that.
Yeah, but you didn't tell her it was your baby.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't even know. I didn't know that. We don't even know.
What do you mean you don't even know? You have to sleep with her in order for her to get pregnant. So that means that you have been sleeping with your baby mama.
Yeah.
Okay. 8 months. I don't even know. She's 7 months pregnant. That's you sleep with someone.
That is correct.
Okay.
Very good.
All right. So before we were even dating, because we haven't been dating that long, we can do the simple math here. Yes. Was I sleeping with my ex? Yeah.
Shada, how long y'all been together?
7 months or so.
Okay, so they're all right. So
You were doing both of us at the same time, and you're not man enough to step up.
Oh my God! Why are you trying to turn this around on me? Y'all are acting crazy. I have an ex-girlfriend, and who I was with, she has my child. Okay, it happened. All right. And we were hooking up, and then I realized it's not the right thing, so I started dating Shada and somebody else. And I wanted to be with Shada, and then now all this happens, and now.
All right, Miss Scott, whether or not there was some overlap between your baby mama and you meeting Shada, I don't know. Shada, maybe you could look past that. It was early on. But why did you not tell Shada the moment you found out that your baby...
Man, I didn't even know. I don't even know if it's mine. We gotta do a DNA test. I'm serious. We gotta go.
You're over there like 3 or 4 times a week, putting stuff together, buying stuff.
but Scott,
For
she must think it's your baby, right? She told you it's yours. Doing all this, and you just sent her these flowers with that note.
A little addition.
Look, I don't know. I don't know who's in it. I don't know. She could have been with somebody else right before me, right around me. I don't know.
When were you to your girlfriend about this?
When the DNA test happened.
And it makes me wonder. It makes me wonder if I didn't put your sorry ass on the radio, you would never tell me the truth.
Probably not.
No.
Scott, what is Anna telling you? Is she telling you this is your baby?
Yeah, of course she is, because she knows I'll take care of it.
She probably also knows that you're going to do a DNA test. So if she's telling you it's your kid, chances are it's your kid.
That makes think they're probably still sleeping together. Let's just be real. If you already think that that's your over there all the time.
Now watch Corte be your wife innocent until proven guilty. I don't know for sure. This is not.
The proof is in the pudding, or should I say in her stomach?
Waking up with Big Bay Mornings. 99.7 now.
You know, if you are carrying around a couple extra pounds, find yourself low energy, maybe you're not getting the best sleep, then it's time to do a juice cleanse from squeeze.com, because doing a juice cleanse can have a great effect on you are cleansing your body from the inside out. When's the last time you've done that? Yeah, maybe never. So start today at squeeze.com. If you order by 1 p.m., you're going to get same-day delivery for free. So squeeze.com, select your delicious juices, and then at checkout, use the promo code RADIO. That's how you're going to get the free same-day delivery. And as always, please mention Benny and Greg.
I want to make the most of summer without breaking. Shop Kohl's Friends and Family Sale with my 25% off coupon. $14.99 plus an extra 50% off the swimsuit, 40% off patio furniture, $10 off as a Kohl's Rewards member. More style and more savings for the win. Select styles, $20 off of $100 valid in store only. 25% off ends July 31st in store only. Some exclusions apply. See store or Kohl's.com for details.
Mom, Dad, I humbly suggest you save some money and shop Amazon for back to school. It's for my growth, meaning my body's growing. I don't know, long. Very soon. Plus, the clothes I love today will be out of style tomorrow. But at least your wallet doesn't have to be my fashion victim if you shop low prices for school at Amazon. Hopefully this is helpful. Amazon. Spend less, smile more.
What's up, Bay Area? It's Fernando stepping in quickly to let you know to spend the workday with me. The fun doesn't Bay morning. Keep it going with a customized playlist with your requests at 888-456-997. When you lunch with me. Commercial-free lunch starts at 11:45. Let's have fun together right after Big Bay Mornings with me, Fernando, at 997 now.
From now until the end of July, stop in your local grocery outlet to participate in our annual Independence from Hunger Drive. This year more than ever, local food organizations need your support. So take part in our Give 5, Get 5 program. Donation bag, we will give you a $5 coupon for a future visit. All donations stay in your local community. Be sure to visit your neighborhood grocery outlet today and join us in our fight against hunger, going on now through the end of July.
Grocery outlet, bargain market.
Cookie wants to be a wrestler.
I'm Cookie Serratos and I'm 11 years old.
She also wants to win all the medals. That's why Cookie and her family make every day count, squeezing out her best with Go-Go Squeeze.
Okay, Cookie, let's break for a Go-Go Squeeze.
Go-Go Squeeze Fruit on the Go pouches are a nutritious snack made from 100% fruit with no sugar added.
Call Cookie!
Because when you nurture your kids, you squeeze out the best in them. Squeeze out their best with Go-Go Squeeze. Non-low-calorie food. Products range from 11 to 13 grams of sugar and 60 to 70.
In order for small businesses to thrive, they need to be smart, efficient, agile, staying ahead of the market at every turn, and finding ways to do more with less. That's never been more important than it is right now. So for a limited time, Comcast Business is introducing Small Business Savings, a deal for companies across the country. When you call in now, you can get powerful internet for just $39 contract and a money-back guarantee, all on the largest, fastest, reliable network for small businesses, with the company that powers more businesses than anyone else. So if you're a small business owner, don't wait. Call and get started today. Comcast Business, powering possibilities.
Offer ends 9/21/22. Restrictions apply. New second internet customers only. Requires EcoBill and AutoPay. Equipment, taxes, and fees extra and subject to change. Call or go online for details. After promo, regular rates apply.
Your local radio stations are here for you. No subscriptions or monthly fees necessary. We're here to give you the news, weather, and traffic you need, and the music you love. But if the foreign-owned record labels get their way, it could stop the music. They pay them more money simply to play their music. Don't let radio go silent. Text LOCAL to 52886 and tell Congress to protect local radio stations. This message furnished by the National Association of Broadcasters.
We're back. The Big Bay Morning.
Good morning, Bay Area.
I love you guys.
in San Jose.
Wake up! It's the best morning show. This is Big Day Morning. I love it. 99.7 now.
Have a nice time at work. All right, who wants their piece of $1 billion?
All of us?
Yes. Well, join our Big Bay Mornings Lotto pool. Here's how it works. We are going to purchase the winning ticket for tomorrow night's drawing. And when we win, we are going to share the $1 billion with you. Yes! Each of us on Big Bay Mornings will choose a number. So that's 4 numbers. Myself, Greg, Nikki, and Art. That leaves 2 additional numbers.
Yeah, that's 1 regular number and then 1 mega ball number that we will be left with.
And you, the listener, will get to choose the final 2. We're going to go purchase that winning ticket today. We're going to post that ticket on our Instagram. You will need to repost it and tag us. That then enters you into our pool. Super simple. So that picture's not up yet. It will be up this afternoon once we get our numbers and go purchase the winning ticket. But I think it's about time that we on Big Bay Mornings choose the first 4 numbers. I think it's only right. Oh, look at him.
He's channeling the universe right now.
All right, well, part of being a clairvoyant isn't just seeing things. You also have to be aware of research and know history.